What if you could live in a world where the boundaries between the digital and physical no longer exist? Intriguing, isn't it? This is not just some far-fetched science fiction idea. Welcome to the concept of the Metaverse, a virtual reality space where users can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users. Think of it as a convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual reality. It's a realm where the virtual and physical worlds blend, creating a hybrid reality that opens up a world of endless possibilities. The Metaverse is more than just a new frontier for gaming and entertainment. It's a transformative technology that is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Imagine attending a concert with your friends from across the globe, all without leaving your living room, or consider a virtual workspace where you can collaborate with your team in real time, irrespective of your geographical locations. The Metaverse is set to redefine our understanding of distance and presence, making the world smaller yet infinitely expansive. Imagine a shopping experience where you can try on clothes or check out furniture in your own virtual house before buying, or a social interaction where you can meet, converse, and form meaningful connections with people from all walks of life, transcending the barriers of language, culture, and geography. The Metaverse is not just about technology. It's about creating a more connected, inclusive, and immersive world. But the Metaverse is not without its challenges. There are questions about privacy, security, and accessibility that need to be addressed. However, with the rapid advancements in technology and a collective effort towards creating a safe and inclusive digital world, these challenges can be overcome. The Metaverse is more than a buzzword or a trend. It's a glimpse into a future where the lines between the physical and digital blur, where our digital avatars coexist with our physical selves, and where we redefine what it means to be present. Imagine a world where you can be present anywhere, anytime, and with anyone. Welcome to the Metaverse. Imagine an interconnected digital universe, a metaverse, where the boundary between reality and the virtual domain is not clear-cut. A place where work, play, education, socialization, and exploration can happen concurrently, all within the boundaries of a seamless digital world. That's the vision of the next 1000X Metaverse project. The initiative isn't merely about crafting a digital playground, but about championing a new era of connectivity and immersion. It focuses on offering users a more immersive online experience, one that isn't limited to two-dimensional screens and interfaces. It's about allowing users to engage with the digital world in the same manner as they do with the physical one, be it through touch, sight, sound, or even smell. Yet, the Metaverse realm isn't only about immersion, it's also about paving the way for new opportunities. Opportunities for employment, leisure, and social interactions. It's about establishing a digital economy where users can earn a living, a digital playground for players to compete, and a digital society where users can encounter, interact, and form relationships. Consider the potential. A teacher in New York delivering a lesson to a global student audience in a virtual classroom. A surgeon in London conducting a surgery in Tokyo with the aid of a reality headset. A gamer in San Francisco competing in a worldwide sports tournament from his living room. These are the opportunities that the next Metaverse project seeks to unlock. So what's the ultimate objective of the Metaverse? It's about transforming the digital landscape, redefining our online experiences, and creating a world where digital and physical realms coexist. It's about expanding the boundaries of what's achievable, questioning our perceptions of reality, and revolutionizing how we live, work, play, and socialize. Metaverse isn't just about constructing a new digital world, but about changing our understanding of what's achievable in the realm of technology. But what does this mean for you and for the future of our society? The Metaverse is more than just a new playground for tech enthusiasts. It's a transformative force that could redefine daily life and societal norms. Imagine a world where work is no longer confined to a physical office. Instead, you could collaborate with colleagues in a virtual space, brainstorming ideas on a digital whiteboard while your avatars interact in real time. And it's not just about work. The Metaverse could revolutionize how we play too. Think about immersing yourself in a game world so real it feels like you're actually there. Or imagine attending a virtual concert, feeling the energy of the crowd even when you're actually sitting at home. The Metaverse also promises to transform social interactions. It could create a more inclusive world, where physical distances and disabilities are no longer barriers to connection. Imagine being able to virtually meet and interact with people from different parts of the world, experiencing their cultures firsthand. However, as with any new frontier, the metaverse raises some concerns. Privacy and security are key issues. How will personal data be protected in a world where everything is digitized? How can we be ensured that the metaverse is a safe space for everyone? The metaverse isn't just a new trend, it's a paradigm shift, a whole new way of experiencing the world. It's a concept that will undoubtedly face hurdles and skepticism, but with careful planning and thoughtful design, the metaverse could very well represent the next leap forward in our digital evolution. The metaverse represents a bold new frontier in technology with potential to reshape our lives and our world. As we navigate this new digital frontier, we want to hear from you. Your voice, your thoughts, your questions. We invite you to become part of this exciting conversation, to share your insights and curiosities about the metaverse. And remember, every like and subscription supports our journey, helps us reach more people, and inspires us to keep generating content that ignites your interest. So, what's your vision for the metaverse? Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments below.